How to view snaps on Snapchat web. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to open up a browser that you prefer. Search for Snapchat web. Select the first option, that is Snapchat for web. If you have not logged in into your Snapchat, make sure to log in into your Snapchat account. Now once you are logged in your left hand side, you will see all of the snaps that your friend has sent to you. If you want to open up any of the chat or the snap, you can just tap open the chat. Here, as you can see, there is a new snap. Now when you try to open it, you will notice that your snap will not load. This is because you will need your mobile application to view your snap. Snapchat web surely has its limitation when it comes to checking out your memories, snap, and more. However, you'll be able to send snap via your Snapchat web. Hopefully, Snapchat web will come up with an update in which we'll be able to access to snaps and memories. Sadly, there is nothing that we can do in our end. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.